This project seeks to bridge quite a lot of gaps. One of these gaps is between schools and parents. The other one is between parents and their children. And of course, the most important gap, because this is the topic of the project, is science and learning students and their attitudes to science. So this project is about seeking ways to make students more interested in science by involving parents.
How did you achieve your goals, and did you have any specific methodology?
Yes, we did. Actually, we applied something which for me is quite novel. We had several paths to go along. For example, one of the aspects of the methodology was to involve parents and students in at-home missions, which was very interesting, and I don't think anybody had done this before. The other thing was we had to be involved in community missions. But the most important thing about the methodology was that once we were involved in the first round of missions, we had to reflect on those and build on those. We received feedback from the universities, our knowledge partners, and then we improved on them. And I think we came up with something which I like, despite the challenges we encountered because of the pandemic.
You mentioned challenges. What kind of challenges did you have?
I remember that when we came back from the kick-off meeting in Finland, we were so enthusiastic to meet the parents, to introduce them to this project. Unfortunately, just a few weeks after we were back, the pandemic kicked in, so we had to go online, and that was the first challenge. We hadn't formed a team, we didn't know each other, so we had to communicate online, and it took us quite a long time to get used to that. Another challenge for us was the fact that we hadn't done a project like this before. We were enthusiastic to work with universities in order to produce data for them so that they test their hypotheses about the methodology in schools and stuff. But the thing for us was that we had to get kind of develop ownership of these terms, and online communication wasn't helpful in that respect.
Can you tell us more about the contribution of the Bulgarian team?
Sure. The Bulgarian team took part in all the activities of the consortium. We produced more than 30 science at home missions. We recorded those. We also took part in the community missions, those missions which were developed by two teams. The topics of those missions were blood sugar, levels of blood sugar. We provided free testing for citizens, more than 400 citizens in Stara. We also developed a campaign in school among parents, students and teachers about the importance of vitamin D and the dangers involved when there is a deficiency in this vitamin. Also, we worked with the municipality and the young mayor to produce an interactive map of the problematic playgrounds which we handed in to the municipality to support them when they deal with something which is really kind of dangerous. Our partners during all those activities have been, as I said, the municipality, students, medical students from the University of Croatia in our city. Of course, parents. We invited one parent and endocrinologist to give a lecture among the school community about the importance of vitamin D. Also, we worked with the Club of Interact. Actually, we joined their mission to raise awareness of the levels of blood sugar. So yeah, I think when we were talking about building those alliances, we have done quite a lot, and I just wish that there was no pandemic for us to do more work.